Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Exactly. Come on, I wanted to talk as if you're hitting some sixes and some boundaries. The bowler's taking wickets when you get happy. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I hope everyone is comfortable. MC, are we on time on the program? Moi? John Moi, are we on time? On schedule? All right. Thank you so much once again, everyone, for coming for this manifesto, launch of my manifesto. If I'm not wrong, it's the very first one after years in the cricket fraternity in Kenya that a candidate would launch his or her manifesto. What is a manifesto, ladies and gentlemen? It's a promise. It's a promise that a candidate is promising the nation or the institution or the federation what he or she is going to do. I've got my team, apparently a few of them are running late, my apologies, but we're launching this manifesto promising everyone that what we're going to do for cricket in Kenya. You can read it. I'll brief it a bit, not taking much of your time about my manifesto, but the most important thing is we want to play cricket. And when I say we want to play cricket, I want boys and girls to play cricket in the cricket field, not in the courts. Where do we want to play the cricket? In the cricket fields. We do not want to play it in the courts. And I'm very, very strong about that. Let me tell you about my vision before I take much time from you. Kenya cricket stands at a defining moment. The decision we make today will determine whether we continue to struggle or rise again as a respected force in the global name. We've been very big in the global name. The years of the days of the Tikolos played, the Obuyas played, the Odumbes played, the Shahs, the Ravindus, all these big names. We've got some big names even here. Mr. R.C. Bala. A big hand of applause for Mr. R.C. Bala for telling this. He's one of the pioneers here who has come over, and I really appreciate his presence. He's part of my mentor even in this journey. Once again, a round of applause for Mr. Bala. My vision is clear: to restore trust, rebuild structures, and reignite excellence across all levels of cricket in Kenya. All levels is ladies, gents, boys, girls, counties, and all places within Kenya. As chairperson, I will lead with integrity, accountability, and purpose. Cricket Kenya must become an institution of players, stakeholders, and fans, can believe in one, and one that operates transparently. What I'm trying to say is that it's not for me, it's not for my team. Cricket Kenya is for stakeholders and players. Secondly, my most important point and strong point is governance. Governance is strong, transparent, and trusted, with clear systems that encourage accountability at every level. Our national team are competitive and respected globally, supported by professionals, systems, quality, coaching, and proper player welfare. When we talk of welfare, the most important thing I'm looking at today, when I take chair, first thing, I want the players to be paid their salaries. Secondly, accountability. When I get to the office, people have been talking of this money, this check, that check. I will bring in accountability and bring trust to the national body towards Kenya, the ICC, and all other federations. Accountability will be my first important thing. Women's cricket.
Yes.
I see some women here. How many women are cricketers here? Wow. I can't see you strongly. Yeah. I promise you that we will go wonders with women. We need to concentrate on the women's cricket. I will be having my team, the development team, we're looking forward to make sure that the women's development is never ignored. My women director, apparently she is running late. She is very, very energetic for this position. So women, you will be included in all this. Inclusivity will be there. Yeah. Most important thing is the high performance center. We don't have a high performance center in Kenya here. We want to make one. And when I say we want to make one, mark my word, I'm going to make one major high performance center in Kenya. Teams like South Africa, India, Australia, they will be coming to us and being here. That's a promise. I'm not promising because I want your vote, my dear. I'm promising because I want it to happen. Rome was not built in a day. Please give me some time. Lastly, I would really want to thank everyone that has supported me. It's not been an easy task. We had some elections last year, by-elections as vice chairman, where I stood as the vice chairman. That has passed. But these elections, I'm telling you, we are here strong. We have come strong. I have gone to the machinanis. I've been everywhere. I've been to places where cricket is just played barefoot. You'll be surprised. Many of you all have not been there. I've gone right down all the counties. Yes, needing a vote, obviously, but promising truth. I'm really, really energized to take this position. Come Sunday, boys. Come Sunday, ladies. I'll be chairman for you guys. Yeah. Mr. Kante Rabadia, thank you for your presence here. Really appreciate your presence. NCCA, as you just rebranded from NPCA, our support will always be there for you. We'll work hand in hand. We want you to be working with us, and let's bring cricket together. Yeah. Sandeep, thank you so much for coming down. Really appreciate that. Umpires, mko wapi? Tuongee Kiswahili kidogo. Msione mimi mtu wa kimombo tu. Taichafua hiyo Kiswahili. Asante sana kuja hapo. Players mko wapi? Mko nami? Hiyo tuko pamoja. Wachezaji, asante sana. Coaches mkoje? Mko sawa kabisa? Tutakuwa pamoja?
Yes.
Asante sana. Wache tulinde hii cricket yetu, tutangulie, to make sure yale nimewa promise, nimeahidi, sorry English nisichanganye, si ndio? Ile nimeahidi nifanye hivyo hivyo, na tutakaa pamoja. Kenya ni ya nani? Ni yetu. Kenya ni ya nani? Yetu. Tuombe serikali iwe na sisi wakati hii, tutasaidiana serikali. ICC, International Cricket Council, sio ICC ile ingine wazee, ni Cricket Council. Yeah. Tutaomba watusaidie tujenge hii Kenya yetu, tujenge cricket. Hata upande huu unaona tuko na ground nzuri sana, tuko na ground zingine ya Ruaraka, Swami Mbapa, tuko so many grounds, kuna infrastructure nzuri sana. ICC macho yake iko na sisi. Tutafanya kazi nao, tutafanya kazi na serikali. Maombi yangu tu, serikali tusaidie. Tuombe CS Bwana Mvurya atusaidie tuendeleze cricket ya Kenya, tuende ulimwengu, tucheze hapo. Asante sana.
Tusimame, makofi ya kilo mara tatu. Thank you very much.
That was refreshing to hear. That was refreshing to hear from Mr. Bhavesh. We have seen many who've come and they've promised us a lot, and some have been achieved, some haven't been achieved. But Mr. Bhavesh, this is from Paris to you. We are very good friends. I'm seated on a table with your family, all women, all ladies. I will hold you accountable if ladies cricket in this country, it is not brought back to where it's supposed to be or where it has been. Ladies, if he does not do something about ladies cricket, I will also ask you questions. I'm the kind of person who asks questions. He's a very good friend of mine, but we have some real talk where we don't lie to each other. We say it as it is, right? And I'm really privileged to be sitting on your table today. With the promises he has given to us, I'm really privileged to be here today. So thank you very much. We are heading on to our question and answer session.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more thing I want to add. Actually, I want to add two more things. Let's all appreciate our media. Come on, guys. Let's stand up, appreciate our media. The reason I'm asking you to appreciate the media, this is the team will help us to bring Kenya ahead. I can see a very good media team here. From my heart, I really appreciate. Let's bring this positive sport upwards, and this is your strength will bring us up. Lastly, Sunday is the voting day. I will help everyone. It's democratic right of everyone to be opposed. My competitor, I will work with them. I lose, I will work with them. That's my promise.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bavesh. Tunakusikia na tunafurahia kukusikia. Umesema unajua Kiswahili. Tunakusikia na tunafurahia kukusikia. So anyway, thank you to the media team again. Thank you to everyone who's come today. We'll move on to our question and answer session. And Mr. Bavesh, kunywa maji kidogo, ujitayarishe. Kuna maswali pia tunataka kujibiwa na ni wewe tu utatujibu. Because we are putting a lot of trust in you to take us to the next level. So